Okay.
That was the warm up. That was the warm up. Mimi nimeenda kutafuta maji because already man, I'm already breaking a sweat, but I feel good. So at least my joints ziko ready. At least now I'm ready. Yes, and I have space. Sana sana, you can see I am outside. We are enjoying the outdoors before the weather changes. So if you have space, songesha vitu. Hizi vitu tutapanga. Viti, meza, dining table. If it's your bedroom, move your bed to the wall. It doesn't matter. Just get a little space for you. If you're dancing with someone else, akusaidie kubeba, mtoe. Si ndio? But make sure you have your water. I have my water here. So always make sure anytime you're working out, be it strength training, it's just dance fitness, or you're just taking a walk, or whatever it is, always hydrate. It is so good for your muscles. You won't be getting those muscle cramps and whatnot. Ukikaa unasikia kauchungu. So yes, let's go back to the music. Tusipoe, si ndio? Aya, let's do this. Maji. Maji iwekwe kando, lakini sio mbali sana. Hey, let's pick up from where we left off. Songa nani. Always make sure, be vigorous. Ongeza finyo, be vigorous, because the more you give, the more you get. Yeah. Don't make small movements and then you say, oh, but I don't get. But songa, move, take big steps, stretch your hand. Just make sure you don't poke the other muscle. Sindio, vuta. Hey, let's match it out. Inua miguu kidogo. Hapa. Ele. Side. Tena. Remember to swing. Tunaenda chini. Malewa. Kwa wale wanaelewa. Now we go around. Zungusha tu hapo. Now we go heel toe, lift. Make sure you're coming off the ground. Twende huku. Huku tena. Hapo tu. Hey. Pole tu, haina pressure. Pole tu. Get the movement fast. Narudia tu. It's like you're hitting. Hey. Twende huko. Turudi. Malewa. I know your legs burning. We go around. Twende tena. Hey. Smile, man. Very simple. Lift your leg. Hapo tu. Haya tena. Hey. Maringa kidogo. hope you're dancing with your neighbor. Umemtumia link. Invite your cousin, your sister, your babies. Yeah, we go to Hilltop again. Do you? Hey. Anainuka. Hey. Namaringo. Hey.
Utawaita wazungu.
Tumeanza hapa tena. Slowly. Step it out. Swing your hips. Doyo. Doyo. Doyo sisi hapa. Hey. Hey. Watu wapelekwe nyumbani. Lakini wewe, waite watu nyumbani. Call these people to work with you. Senior, let's move. Let's go low. Hey. Always remember to smile, man. You know what's coming. You know what's coming. Say unajua, ongeza madoido. Hey. Tunaenda. Hey. Always remember, heel toe. Hey. Ha. Hey. How you feeling? 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 I hope tunakunywa maji. I hope tunakunywa maji. I hope you're hydrating. Okay, I hope you're not giving your neighbors trouble. Jumping all over the place and making it hard for them. But they have one choice. Either they join you ama waeke Lolwe TV Fitness, waingie kwa mix, waanze kucheza. Because that's why we have dance fitness, yeah? Because there's different versions of fitness. See me trying to catch my breath. There's different versions of fitness. You can dance, you can walk, you can jump, you can skip, you can, my God, there's endless ways you can exercise. So today we've chosen to dance as our form of exercise because it works literally your whole body. Because you're turning. See, I turned, I used my legs, I used my hand, I was busy turning my head side to side. So literally, it's a full body workout. Yes, it's a full body workout. So feel free to join us every time. Tuko kwa social media, Lolwe TV Fitness, utatupata pale. Afrofab Fitness Kenya, utanipata pale. If you just go to our socials, like anytime you felt like, because working out doesn't have specific times. So as long as you have the energy, you feel the adrenaline is pumping. Play something, play us, you'll find us. Let's dance, let's bust a move, work some muscles, yeah, tone up nicely. So, yeah. So now I'm taking a break. I'm going to take water. I hope you're going to take water too. At least hydrate. Don't get muscle cramps. At least changamka, sindio? And then we're replacing all this water we are losing. So I'll see you after the break. Remember, it's Lolwe TV Fitness. Okay. Did you get to drink some water? Yeah? I've taken a little break. It's good. Always remember to take time out when you're exercising. Unajua? At least ujichangamshe, rejuvenate, kunywa maji. I've drank water. Today I've drank a lot of water, but it's a good thing. Yeah, drink water, rest, relax for a minute, because saa zingine we get carried away. Adrenaline is real. Yeah, so muscles zinaweza shtuka kidogo. So take time. Anytime you feel pain, slow it down. If possible, don't stop if you don't have to, but slow it down. Yeah, so karibuni tena. We are back to Lolwe TV Fitness. With this hiyo break tulijaribu kwa fupi sana, but mimi sikuchukua sana. I was still dancing in the background. So I hope you still have your space. Tuendelee. Karibuni tena. Tuanze tena from the top, si ndio? I hope you still have your space. Hi, there you go. Tena. Always make sure you move. Cover your space. Onyesha miguu. Know what's coming. Tunaweka. There it is. There you go. Again.
Achutama kishinani na msuli wake.
Make sure you're moving. Usiache kutoka. Ati haujui style, haujui movement. Do something. Stay active. Yeah. Hapa najua mnajua ni nini inakuja. This other side now. Hey. The beauty of that is there's no right way. There's no right way. There's no wrong way. Umeshika. Mbona you're moving? You're doing something. You're having fun. Smile. Hey, tunazunguka tena. Hey. Slow it down now. Take it lower. Take it lower. Swing, swing, kidogo, kidogo. Kidogo. Smile, man. Go, go. Slowly. Now we go back. Now we've slowed our movement. Pole pole tu. Kidogo tu. Hapo tena. Still the same movement. Lakini now zimetulia. Know what time it is. Stretch kidogo. Hapo. Yeah, pull it out. Vuta kabisa. Out to the other side. Yeah, you should feel it. Yeah? I feel it in my abs too. Kwa miguu. Aye. Your palms are facing each other. Try and push all the way up. Go straight. Utasikia kwa abs. Utasikia kwa mikono. Kwa mgongo. Again. I'll show you from the back. Jaribu zifikiane. Mine can reach. If you can pull them together, well and good. Sawa. If you don't, get a towel. Get a towel and hold it in between your hand and pull. Alright? Kama ifiki kama yangu, ni sawa. Okay? Aya. Still continue. Again. Yeah, stretch out your sides. Then you go back. Aye. Then you go down. Grab your ankles. Remember to breathe, don't hold your breath. Lift your head. Come up slowly. Come up slowly. Check it out. Lift your knees. Flex your knees. Flex your knees. You're on the spot. around, move around. I'm going round and round. It's your space. Feel free, feel free, feel free. Now your hand goes here. It goes here. Your other hand goes here. You're holding the back of your head. Sawa? Alafu unavuta mbele. Unavuta chini. Now you hold here at the back, then you pull it down. Okay? Badilisha mkono. The same thing you're doing with the other hand, you do with this other one as well. Vuta chini. Vuta chini. This will feel so good. The neck feels so nice. And then the middle. Vuta chini kabisa. Oh. Hapa. Ni muhimu kustretch. Just get out of bed and jump into things. You start doing things like just like a melody. Here we are. As we wind up and we get ready for whatever it is that we're preparing ourselves for this day. But always remember, always give thanks. You're well, you're fine, you're healthy. You have people around you who love you, the people who make you happy. Probably you have a job that makes you happy, yeah? As much as you provide, but be happy in what you're doing. Always try and find joy in everything you do. And don't force yourself to do things that don't add value to you or others around you. If it doesn't hard thing, you don't have to. But kwa haya yote, thank you so much for tuning into Lolwe TV Fitness. This has been an awesome time again with you guys. You guys are so special to us. You do not know how much. You always make us look forward to coming to another production for you guys. So, feel free to let us know comments, suggestions, everything that you need to tell us on the socials which are running just below your screen there. So, and yes, send links to your family, your friends, wale wako within. Nilisikia mtu anasema without, na outside. Because yeah, there are people who are still stuck in their house, school nje, they can't go out, they can't access the outside world, of course, because of isolation, because of the COVID situation. So, send links. Sharing is caring. Na kwa hayo yote, I am Afrofab and I'm out. See you next time. Lolwe TV Fitness. Tunawapenda.
Okay.